I gotta get this.
What am I looking at?
Look at guys.
You guys need to go.
We might just have to head her down.
Oh my lord.
No, you don't understand it.
Yeah, it's right. It's right on us.
Oh my god. Is that it?
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm shaking.
That is a whole width. Look out! Don't tell Em.
Oh my Jesus.
Hang on, Chris.
Wow,
Oh my god.
It's down. Ow. Oh my lord. You think it's time?
Just about.
This is there.
Oh my god, that is massive.
Oh my god, it's
Oh
right there.
my god.
We should go.
Go. Come on! Get in there. Yep. Go, look. Downstairs, guys. You got a light? Get a light on. You got a light on? Center. Yes, please. Good. That thing is as wide. Hang on.
Like the actual tornado?